Hello everybody, this is TechStack here, and hey guys, I'm streaming again, this time DeathCube yet again, and well, I've made a ton of progress on these things, these turrets. Hopefully the stream is actually working here. Let me load up the page, because YouTube control room thingy is being a bit derpy at the moment. So bear with me one minute, make sure this is working and I'm not just talking to myself completely. Come on, YouTube. Of course, Chrome being derp too. So the turrets, oh, it's loading. And hey guys, I'm streaming again. Awesome. So the turrets now actually rotate towards the player. They take advantage of the Minecraft built-in native artificial intelligence, the AI in Minecraft. So it's not 100% foolproof that they'll shoot at you. It's not 100% foolproof that they'll aim at you. See, they are tracking me right now. They'll pick a target. They should follow that target. If I get close, they'll start shooting at me. I don't have the smoke particles that I want coming out of the barrels. You can see at the bottom of the screen was slain by turret. Yeah, the white part is going to be the team color, which is probably the next thing I want to do. If I can get close enough, you'll see them actually shooting. As you can see, the barrels will move when it shoots. You just can't see it. It kills you so fast. Anyway, let me see if I can get these guys to join me here. One sec.
Coming through.
Hey guys, here's the stream. Tell me what you guys think of these turrets. That's why I'm streaming. So.
Coming through.
That's so appropriate that I changed to the portal turret gun sound pack in TeamSpeak. Let me go game mode 1. There we go. So that's what they look like. Little gray thing's supposed to be like a ooh, he just aimed right at me. I'm in creative and he's aiming at me. That's weird. Game mode 0. There we go. Kill you that fast. So if I try and run up and rush these things, with a big 2 of them, I don't think I can. Yeah. So let me do this. Let me summon DeathCube turret. So you can kind of punch them when they're right in front of your face. Maybe if I had a sword, it'd go down quicker, right? Give that P Minecraft sword. Iron sword. Okay, where is it? I have to relog because of stupid vanilla Minecraft not showing entities sometimes. There it is. Oh. I wonder if that saved me any. Dang, where's my sword? Oh, DeathCube. Good. Never mind. Don't keep your items, I forgot. So it'll track you if you're not close enough. It'll keep rotating towards you. But as soon as you get close enough to shoot, bam. And I need sound effects and a little bit of smoke coming out of the barrels and all that stuff. I know that. And you can, if I give P Minecraft bow and arrows, you can shoot him, but it's going to slow down the team, right? That's trying to take this thing out. That's the idea. You can block off a path, kind of set up a sentry to guard it for you. So it's possible to get past them. It's really easy to get past them with the bow and arrow, actually. So, like, it'd be something where if I go into game mode 1, say there's something like this set up. You would want to put the turret, like, right there, right? So that when the player walks around that, they can't shoot at it. But when they walk around it, they're going to get owned by it. And maybe I can add sounds effects to this thing so the players can know it's there. Oops. Can I do this? Ooh. It's targeting me. I can see it. Oh, yeah. You can take him out like that. Ooh. Okay, but it shoots back. Can it shoot me up there? No. Yep. That's awesome. Give at P Minecraft bow. So, is there any way I can improve this, guys? What should be different, if anything? Myself a turret, place him down, get out of there. He's basically got the AI of a skeleton kind of thing. Shoot faster? I don't know, like if you had to straight up rush him, if I say I didn't have a bow, you can't get in there to him. There's no way you can rush him straight up without a bow. Where'd it go? Oh, I hate that bug. What is it with vanilla that happens? You guys can join me. Can I punch him through this? Yes. Let's target me. I need to get this in multiplayer, see how it handles then when there's like 2 or 3 people for it to try and target. We also need to set up the teams on this so that it only can shoot at the opposing teams. What is the suggestion?
Coming through.
What's the suggestion, guys?
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, Aqua came with the idea.
Oh, okay.
Aqua, I hope he's muted.
What? Sorry.
Suggestion for the...
Oh, how are you gonna make them like get it in game?
Well, multiple possible ways, because it's just going to be an item, right? You just place down the item and it spawns in the turret.
Yeah.
So, actually I can show you on the stream if you're still watching. Treyer set it up so that in his config for the player gear, somewhere, gear config, if you look, there's this class button. He's going to have different... Eventually, the plan is to have different classes of players. So you could have an engineer, like from Team Fortress 2, and his gear might be the turret instead of a bow or something like that. The other alternative is it could be one of the not the example blocks, the loot blocks. It could be a loot that drops from those, but very, very rarely. Or if we wanted to, everybody could get one, but that kind of probably be OP because you'd have 50 of them spawned all over the place after 5 deaths.
Yeah.
So what's the suggestion?
I was just wondering, like, before then you could like make them craftable from like those 4 little death things.
Oh, so you're saying like the life skulls and death skulls, like if you get enough of them, you can craft it?
Yeah.
That's interesting. It's easy enough to do too. That would make sense for what, like the current state of those things is kind of being broken too. Guess I need to test these some more. Does he shoot down? Yes, he does. Okay, I'm gonna go back so I don't bother you guys. You can talk about whatever.
Ain't bothering us.
I can stay. Whatever. Nick, this is a game for Minecraft PvP nights that we do called Death Cube, and I'm adding a feature to it for turrets here.
Have you seen the new game PvP night that we were playing? God. Something Enterprises or something? Okay.
Monster Industries, yeah. We
Something
played it last
Monster
time.
Incorporated.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. It seemed kind of grindy though.
Yeah, but you got slaves, and if you have like 5 or 6 people on each team, it could get really fun and go really fast.
Yeah, and that's what we were lacking last night. The max we had was a 2v2.
Yeah, I think the most we ever had was a 3v2.
Yeah, I thought it was boring because I had maybe
Oh,
10.
you had Golden on your team.
No, I was fighting Golden. I had 10 people after, or 10 people after me through the whole match, maybe. Like 10 mobs. Well,
You had
in
what?
in the match we were playing, it didn't help any that he was saying that his slaves weren't working for some reason.
Oh.
He
Oh.
spawned like 4 witches, and I just slaughtered all 4 of them right in a row.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta spawn mobs for it to be fun. It's really fun when you spawn the Wither, and you black out the other team's headquarters and put water in there.
So, I need a way to set the team on this. I need the team of the player. Okay. Turret. Hello, Elijah. Get player to team color. String, okay. KF
Ultimatum right there.
And I'm sure he's well aware of the consequences.
All right, on to Dimlets.
It's not like Gazer's in another time zone or anything.
He's like 5 or 6 hours ahead of time.
Yeah.
Yes, Nick, we have a modded server we play PvP on.
Like one of those reality TV shows.
It's time.
On the Zorified Gazer Show. Stacey says, I don't feel good. I want to watch Formula One.
There we go. Do that, and then et.team equals 1, because I believe that's the right.
Found out why it wasn't working for me, Aragorn.
Why is that?
Helps if you spell your name right.
Wait, your own name?
Yeah, I spelt my name Airbat just like everybody else pronounces it. Yeah, a lot of people have called me Airbat before, even in chat messages, like texting and chat on vanilla service. People are like, Airbat! Like, there's an R in there?
Two, yellow, 3. Yellow's 4.
Hello!
Where is Laza? I want him to come back.
Calm yourself.
I didn't realize there was already a bucket in there. And so now I have a bucket of Marvin resonant ender junk.
Let's see, and I need to go to render.
What are you laughing at?
This.
Oh god. No!
Colors.
Can't touch this time.
So I need to get the color piece.
Oh well.
This.
Oh, where did that? Oh, there it is.
Here.
I need more ender pearls.
Close save.
I guess I gotta go back.
Cool. So now, if I were to that,
I think I actually had enough when I first started, but then putting it in that accidentally kind of messed me up.
set up one of those. Spawn point. Capture point. Red.
Whoop.
Red.
What's Bradle Clean do again?
I'm assume clean stuff up. Never ran it before.
Well, like, what does it clean?
Like probably the cache files and stuff, because in Forge Gradle at least it downloads a bunch of junk and will keep it around until wow, words. Like if you run it again, it won't download it again, kind of thing. Hello, backboard. Borks. So now do gear config, and I want one of those. Bow.
Hello, friend.
Probably had about 30
Yay!
seconds left. See, he knew the ultimatum.
Okay,
He's probably like, no!
dang it, crashed.
Formula One!
So close.
Okay, this must be the way that the...
Okay, see.
Oh, God.
Can they call it that over there? There's no Kentucky in your country.
Click, click.
No, don't shoot me. Dang it.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Gazer, I'm streaming, by the way, now that you're talking.
I just got assigned Too Drunk for TeamSpeak server group by CZ.
Fantastic.
What?
Me and Gazer are too drunk for TeamSpeak.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how, but my turrets can jump.
What?
Look at that, that's crazy. Okay, I need to fix that somehow. Oh, he's not on my team. That was an epic fail.
It said, I'm gonna jump and kill you. Jump.
Yeah, it did. It's literally jumping because there's blocks in the way.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That's nuts. You didn't tell it how to do that, right?
Well, I told it, it's got the normal AI of a mob. I just told it can't move.
So it's jumping like a zombie does when it can't get to its villagers.
Yeah. Okay, let me look at the code where I place this thing then.
So it's just a regular Tesseract, right?
Yeah, there's only one Tesseract.
Just want to make sure before I spend all my resources.
You might want to make a private Tesseract. You need Signalium.
Blue. So it's going to have a value of 3. Oops.
Do you add that to it afterwards?
Yeah. Yeah. Tesseract. Yes, you add it to it afterwards. If you type in Tesseract and you click on the main Tesseract and then click the arrow over by shaped crafting, called security crafting.
Is anyone there? Is anyone there?
Alright, I can go full screen Minecraft now because there's not gonna be any more chats. Oh.
Oh, that's what's wrong. Cool. Yes. The turrets are team colored now.
Whoa. Where all this cherry soda come from? Were you giving that to me, Airbrat?
I'm in my house.
Alright then. Not sure where they came from, but somehow I got 3 things of cherry soda. Cherry soda, cherry smoothie, and a cherry juice. Right, you say Signilium A.
Yeah, Signalium.
You have some at your place?
Don't know. It'd be in my AE system. Yeah, I have 5 ingots of it. You only need 1 ingot for the...
You just make the lock.
Make the lock and 3 Signalium nuggets. The lock takes 5 and... Oh, crap.
So if
Don't remember.
ELB
Bronze ingot.
instance,
Yeah, I'm sure I got some of that too.
I do, somewhere. I just was using it. Like, where'd it go? Where'd it go? I seriously was just using it.
entity player, P.
How far does Energy Tesseract travel?
Infinite. And 3 dimensions.
Yeah, and I don't know about this version of this pack, but other packs had like a 25% power loss for using a Tesseract.
What I've heard, this one doesn't. I don't know, and I don't know how to test it.
Give it 100 and see if you get 100 out.
Yeah.
So I take this, put it here. It's an entity player. Terminate. So the entity players on their team red. And this dot team equals 1.
What's the biome? Phantasmagoric Inferno?
Sounds horrible.
So I need to check that. So the turret's on red does not equal red. And the player is red. Green.
Well, I got the terrain flat. I'm pretty sure it's one of the ones I need. Liquid life essence dimlet? Oh god. I got a chicken mob dimlet. Liquid glass.
What's the difference between power and power 2?
I don't know. Anybody?
What context do you mean?
Or Tesseracts.
Oh, somebody set up a power 1 frequency.
Oh, that's
that
why I
what you mean?
said you needed to private it. So you have your Tesseract privated, don't you?
Yeah.
You put this thing. Okay, so now on the right hand side, there's gonna be a little part with a security thing on it or whatever.
Yeah,
Click
I
on
just
that.
turned on.
Set it to restricted. And only your channels will come up. And the people, your friends, can also use those, I believe. And they can access your turrets. They can't use your power sources. Huh. Liquid fire water dimlet. Got an endstone dimlet.
Okay, so the red ones were shooting me. I'm on blue. I put a blue one down and it kills me too. Cool, that's not working at all.
Aragorn.
What?
I need dungeon keys.
Last I saw them, Trayer had them.
You want to go with me?
Once I get this set up.
Okay. I gotta get some more dimlets, and the dungeons are the easiest place that I know of.
There are
What
way
is a
to
dimlet? Go ahead.
So think of Mistcraft and Mistcraft pages
Okay.
like that, and then you can combine them. It's just a, so it's Mistcraft. It's just a technical way to do it, and more controllable. Whole lot more control over it.
So is there a way to set separate channels on my own Tesseracts?
Yes. Like, in what sense though? What do you want to do?
So like I want this individual Tesseract to send power to this storage unit, but then I want another Tesseract that sends power from the storage thing to wherever the crap I want it.
Okay, so you're at your base, right? Your laboratory, I guess you're calling it?
Yep.
Okay. And you have it set up to where friends can access it?
I think so.
Okay. I cannot access. Oh, there it goes. I was just. Okay, so. Configuration. So if you click on the config tab,
Mhm.
see it's open now?
Yep.
Is this one sending or receiving power?
That one's receiving power.
So you already got it set to receive power.
Yeah.
So I guess set it to channel. So in the spot where the tab is now, put 1. Make it channel 1.
Where? Oh, right there. I see.
Yeah.
Set. Okay. And then I set the other one to 1.
Mhm.
Over here. Which is.
But you
buried
want
in
to
the
you want to
wall.
name the frequency too.
Oopsie.
So it's frequency 1, but we'll call it we'll just call it receiving power for now.
And then this one has to match that.
And then you click save frequency. So now, did you see where I got that?
I
Where
would
you
leave
at?
it. I understand where you got it. Yeah.
Yeah. And then this one, if you go in here now, it says
Right
why
there.
does it just say receiving?
Oh, isn't that what you had?
You don't have to do anything to that. Huh? I'm so confused.
Alright, it's inactive right now. So, go in, set restricted. Configuration, this one should be sending energy.
Yeah. So just name the
Right.
channel, so it'll be 1, but in the big long box where it says the channel name, name it power from lava. Just name it that, power from lava.
And I save it.
And you save the
Right.
frequency, and it comes up in that bottom tab, right?
Correct.
And you named it geothermal power?
Yep.
Okay, now you should be getting energy in your pylon now.
Let's see. Yes. Yes, it's working. Sweet.
So now, is this the other one that's
This one-
receiving?
And that one's taking power. So I have to
Okay.
figure out.
So now you've named that one geothermal power, and it's sending energy into
Okay.
it.
So I don't want this. Right now it's just in a loop. It's taking energy and sending energy back to itself.
No. Delete that frequency. Well, no, don't delete the frequency.
Not
Just
deleting the frequency. I'm setting
disable.
it to inactive. It's inactive now.
Yeah.
But now this one's not running. Why isn't this one running?
Sending energy. What?
It's not sending energy from this for some reason.
Okay, let me look at your stuff. So you got. Does geothermal only output the back? Or.
The
Oh,
bottom
crap.
does it.
Or does it only. I'm gonna break two of your wires. I'm wondering if you can only send RF through Tesseracts.
Mm-hmm. At least that's how it used to be. You couldn't work with IC2 at all.
Yep. That's exactly what it is.
Fun.
So, if we look at, let's type in geothermal, see if there's any geothermal lava way. There is a lava way, so,
What are we looking for?
type in engine. Actually, it's more of type in magmatic.
Oh, the magmatic engine. Yeah.
The magmatic dynamo.
That's what I was thinking of switching to anyway, so.
Yeah, so you're gonna need those to input power into the Tesseracts, and you can set dynamos in a line, and then hook up energy conduits to the top of them, and then run them into the Tesseract, and then that'll hook you up on power.
Is there any sort of power generation from Draconic Evolution besides the generator?
Not that I know of. Again, the other option's a big reactor. That would fill this thing up pretty quick, but you need the Yolarium for that.
Or I could just set up one of my Tesseracts right beside your generator. Your reactor.
Actually, break that Tesseract behind the geothermal thing. Throw it at me.
It's red. Do you see me?
Yoink!
And your vacuum setup. Do I have to place it though?
I don't know, we're about to go for. Oh, that's the nether! Don't. Shut up. I
Pretty
almost
sure
did
have
it
to
too.
Place it.
Huh?
I'm pretty sure I'd have to place it.
I'm thinking you don't, because it's already set up to be. See, if I hover over it, my game freezes. It says owner error 1006 in my inventory. So, if I go over here and I hook it up to my power tap. Oh crap, that's not the power tap, it's hooked up to your. You don't want to put two Tesseracts next to each other because that'll be bad news.
I'll figure it out.
Magmatic dynamo. Shift. For details.
Ender energy conduit. Sure.
It says you're
This might be ready for a test, guys.
doing pretty well.
I need another person on with me to see if it's gonna target its own teammates. I think it will. But like not it won't shoot you, I've got that proven, but I think it's gonna target you and then not try and target me if you place it down.
Oh.
But oh wait, I can do it. Never mind.
Do you have power, Airborne?
Myself.
I don't know. I'm not there right now.
So if
I'll be able to tell in a moment.
I do open to land. Okay.
Just kept the geothermal.
What?
You just kept the geothermal set up
Who?
That's fine.
What? I'm
for
confused.
the frequency.
Yeah, I just kept it on geothermal power.
Start second Minecraft.
I believe it's working.
Should be getting like a load of energy right now.
I think so. Let me throw something in this. Let's see. Yep, it's working. I have 100 or 1 million RF coming in, so
Are you still there?
That's cool.
Sleep mode activated.
And ow! Ow. Sorry. The reason I just went ahead and did that because my reactor is producing more energy than my ender core can use. And my ender core is actually off right now, so.
once I figure out
Oh,
a
which
solution,
means I'm gonna run out of yellorium.
I'm going to get my own setup going soon.
Oh, you're
That'll-
fine. I just need to set
That'll
up
fill
my
the storage unit.
I need to set my ender core back up, that's all. Guess I need to set it up in the crap mining age.
What I should be doing.
I could set it up in the deep dark.
Sweet. Alright.
Do something.
Who's living in this temple?
Which temple? The sand temple?
Yeah.
That was just a hub we set up.
Oh, okay.
Does is there a energy conduit of some kind that transfers energy from a tesseract?
Yes.
Or just like any basic sort of
Type in
A1?
conduit. Can be the Ender IO conduits.
The energy conduits.
Yeah, that'll work good enough for you.
So I need gravel and clay and sand. There's gold, redstone. Okay, I don't need that at the moment, but at least now. Power. I'd like to make a some sort of large power source, and I do like your idea of using solar panels in that bay.
You there?
So I think sorry, I walked too far away from my desk.
Oh.
Yeah, I think doing solar power there that then feeds into that storage cell, and then
Yeah, I think that'll work
that,
great. As
that can feed to anything else I want.
yeah, especially the types of solar panels there are. They get pretty ridiculous.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be my best bet. And then right now I already have it piping back to the basement of my normal house.
Nice.
So then I can actually set up machinery and things in this basement
Yeah.
and just create that other thing as my energy creation.
Yeah. Glad to see nothing has changed.
Yeah. She's mad because my wife started vacuuming in the other room.
Does she what?
My wife's vacuuming in the other room.
Oh. Does she get mad over that?
She just doesn't like it.
Oh, she doesn't like the vacuum.
My guess is more than anything, she's more upset that my wife isn't picking her up.
How old is she?
She's 1.
Oh, okay. I just found a diamond ore vein with 2 dense diamond ores in it. That bat has a hat. That bat is dead.
I need to find something to eat. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Alrighty, I'm back.
Yay.
Treyer's all like, "Hey, we should hang out in person like real people and junk, and let's invite other people and have friends." Funny thing is he just wants to play video games at his house. He bought some game and trying to convince us to play it.
Oh. He hasn't been playing much Minecraft lately.
Been in the Bahamas the past week.
Oh yeah, that's right. He is in Jamaica. I want to go to Jamaica.
Yeah, seriously.
Hello, friend. Is anyone there?
Alright then. Any idea who that is?
Well, talk with your mic muted. Anyways, It's for Techline. I just told them to go to their channel and they'll give them some talk power and all that stuff.
Steady went AFK.
I poked him. Glad to see you getting into tech stuff. Everyone.
Keeping me busy.
Yeah.
I was gonna play Smite, but no one else was on, so.
I think as soon as I get this Ender Quarry set up, I might swing over there.
Maybe I'll join you.
At least for a few
Maybe.
matches. I know I need to get
Maybe.
some demo researching in today.
Maybe. I could use some angry yelling right now.
Well, let me set up my Ender Quarry. Set up my Ender Quarry and see if I can find a snack or something, and then we'll start.
I could find a snack.
IC2 plasma launcher.
Been in there for a
Sounds
little bit.
dangerous. You know what that is, Alco?
Not just plasma. That's about all I know.
Alright,
What
Captain
a wing
Obvious.
meter. Yeah, I was trying to see if there's a way to transmit or transfer EU into RF.
Well, it used to be a long, long time ago. It was called an energy bridge. I don't know. I think they did away with that mod, though. I don't know. Type in energy and see if anything comes
Yeah,
up.
that's what I've been searching a couple things. Converting RF to EU is kind of easy, just using a magnetic crucible.
Converting RF to EU.
Yeah. Because all you do is you run the magnetic crucible with cobble to create lava, which then goes into a geothermal.
Yeah.
How do you do this?
There you lying.
Hi, back. Someone has something set up. Gaming on caffeine.
That guy's nuts.
I don't know that I could follow so many words.
Yeah, because he's like.
It's complicated. Nope. Yeah. Man, you really should figure out what's going on with that duck. Sounds like a problem. Redstone transmission coil.
What are you making?
Magmatic dynamos.
What, you don't have enough power?
Trying to become self-sufficient.
Gotcha.
Ew. Why'd you do that?
Ingvar. Funny thing is I'm stealing other people's resources. Well, not stealing. With permission, stealing other people's resources to accomplish this goal. Because the mining part of that, I'm so over that right now. I should make my own quarry, and now that I have power, that I'm stealing from Airbrat.
Oh goodness.
No. Why'd you crash? No.
You don't
Let
have
me
any
know.
Ingvar. What are you doing?
I have ways to make Invar.
Oh yeah, you do. You have 24. Taking it. It's mine now.
Hey, that stuff's. Hey. Don't take it all.
There's only 24 ingots.
There's only what?
There was only 24 ingots.
Oh.
It might have already disappeared. I'm not even sure.
Uh-huh.
This is awfully similar to the other servers, except instead of using your things to create buildings, I'm using your things to create other things. One thing I don't like about these draconic chests, you have no real way to use your NEI while you're inside the chest.
Yeah.
Pretty lame.
You know you can make those runic dungeon keys?
Can you?
Yeah, you need another star.
Tell me nothing about this exception.
Well, hello stream. I forgot to unmute my mic when I came back. Derp.
Who would have another star?
I used to. I used it.
That's enough of that one. Okay.
So somehow Golden has draconic armor.
What?
And 28 wyvern energy cores and 28 wyvern cores.
My
And 48
goodness.
draconium dust and 36 draconium ingots.
My guess is those were given to him by no help said that they were giving him stuff. Because that's the only way, like, those cores are pretty expensive to make.
Yeah.
Like, I almost went through all of my draconic ores whenever I built that power storage.
Dang.
And I needed 6 of the regular cores.
Wow.
And 8. I guess 10 of the regular cores.
Well, he doesn't have another star. Let's see if Help has one.
Help probably has multiples. So,
Great place, Mike.
dynamos.
Oh.
Dynamos. I think.
Thank.
What the world? What in the world?
Yep, I'm logged in.
Oh, crap. I'm in the middle of... Let me fly back home.
Oh, text streaming. We should probably move to the Smite channel of streaming.
I can move to streaming. That's fine.
Okay.
He wants to be here in Rage Hall on his stream.
Is anyone
Hey.
there? Is anyone there? Is anyone there?
It's just me. I will move myself.
Coming through.
There we go. So I'll probably talk more because it's probably going to be quiet now. I'm trying to sort out why there's a null pointer exception on this. So apparently team is null. Possibly no. Should not be null. So oh, that's null. Ew, that stinks. If that top of a cliff and climb the rope, you could fire it at the ceiling and swing on it. That'd be cool. Yeah, I was just meaning in TeamSpeak because I was in TeamSpeak before. That's why you're hearing so many other voices besides mine. No. It does not equal null. Actually, let's do game state. And. Death cube. Dot game state equal game state dot. Nope. So what does he have? Is this enumeration? It's game states. It is num. Equals running. Oh my gosh, what did he do? So that helps. Game state's defined where? In reference, so reference dot. REFERENC. Capital. There we go, case sensitive. So it's not null, and the game state equals running. It will run this code, which is trying to determine if it should attack the player or not. Do you think that there's an official plugin API for 1.9 and that's why they would? No, I don't. I wish that were the case, but no, I don't think they will.
Who are you?
Hello.
I'm gonna hang out in here with you.
That's fine.
Turn my headset off.
Turn your headset off. Huh? You're gonna hang out with me, but you're not gonna listen or talk.
Well, I'm gonna listen. I'm just not gonna say anything.
Oh, you can be. You're welcome to talk. I don't care.
I'm not talking because you're streaming. I'm just not talking because I don't want to talk.
Okay. One can dream. It would be nice if they did it. And you use the correct terminology. Mojang has started saying they're going to do a plugin API, not a modding API. They've been saying that since Minecon, what, 2 years ago now or something like that. When they said that they're going to do it, they said they're going to do a plugin API, which to me means a different thing than modding. Completely. You know, Bucket had plugins. In Bucket's case, it was only server side, not client side. I'm sure Mojang wants to do something client side, but they're limited. And I think that's going to be what we end up getting, something that's somewhat limited. Okay, so they attack now. I need that guy dead so I can set the one where I want it. Why can't I place him? Seriously? Oh, I'm not on a team. Dang it. So that's going to be my item. Death cube. Game state equals reference dot. Game states dot running. So if the game is running, that's when we set the team up as responding it. Otherwise, do without and ignore. There we go. And he's trying to shoot me. Good. Trying to get him to jump like that one did. There. Okay, so how do I stop that? Entity turret. This dot jump. Helper jump. Actor equals 0. Try that one first. We'll need to reload the world. So it runs that code again. Still jumping. This dot jump helper. Dot step height, maybe? So it doesn't think it can climb over that hill? That's a no. Max health, follow range, knockback resistance. Nothing about jumping. What's a mob that can't jump? I don't know if there is one. Wait, maybe squid? Squid, possibly. Passive. Squid. Geo. Y. Well, that probably would work. It's kind of a hacky way of doing it, but it should work. So if I do the entity turret on update for the server side, this dot motion y equals 0 if he's going up. So we want to see if it's if this dot motion y is greater than 0, we want to set it to 0. So it should still let him fall, but he won't be able to jump, I don't think. At least he's jumping lower. Interesting. Yeah, now he's going fuller up. Skelly in a minecart. Well, Skelly in a minecart can't jump because he's in the minecart. It's not because of the skeleton. They just have no ability to jump at all. The minecart's controlling the motion, not the skeleton. Yeah, but it's an extra entity to load into the world to do it that way, though. So instead of 1, there's 2. And it's the AI that's controlling it, so, you know, one of these are causing it to try and jump. Watch closest target, arrow attack, nearest target attack, and then AI arrow attack. Let's try that. And summon a new one. So we gotta do this. And now he's not trying to attack me. Chance, entity selector. Okay, well, I think it's probably a low case scenario, or low use case scenario where he's actually going to do that. Oh, don't shoot me. I'm almost dead. Because this guy, even though he owned me instantaneously, is not trying to jump. And I really want to know why entities don't disappear like that sometimes. Maybe it's why I'm registering the entity. Mod 80. Oops. Tracking range, update frequency, send velocity updates. Send velocity updates true, tracking frequency is 1. Yeah, well, I'm trying to leverage the vanilla artificial intelligence code instead of writing this all 100% from scratch. They only seem to do it when I get over here too, near these things. Interesting. I wonder if it's something special about those blocks being in it. Well, I think these are probably getting really close to being ready for it. I can shove him around, really? Wow. I was gonna say they're close to being ready for a test. Don't like that. Dead and sleeping entities cannot move. Yeah, it's working. I'm not happy that you can push the thing around. Although I guess if you're not on the team of it, or in creative like I am now, you're not going to get close enough to be able to push it. It's going to be shooting at you. So maybe that's okay. And if you're on the team, maybe being able to shove it out past the corner and shoot somebody is a good thing. Yeah, that's always that way. It's always been circles. Don't you read Reddit? Somebody made a big stink about that on Reddit a couple weeks ago. So what's the bounding box like? F3B. Too big for a 1 block hole. Interesting. But it fits down in there. Okay. Maybe I should make the size just slightly smaller. Like 0.9. There we go. Reload the world. It'll pick up the new size. So now if I dig a hole, say here. Shove this guy against that wall. Perfect. So you can put a turret in a hole. So let's do this now. Let's launch Blender. Let's get open my turret file. Go to full screen. Go to the viewpoint or the camera. Like that. And then We need to do the camera render settings. 128 by 128. There we go. We're gonna grab this camera and we're gonna. Oh, this no. This axis. Like that. And then F12. Cool. And we want to do 100%. F12. And we can use. Why is it not rendering with the texture? Material new. Texture. Where is it? It's been a while. There's something that says image or from image or something like that. To load with the UV map from. Here we go. Image or movie. What? UV image editor. What is this? Is a render result. We want untitled. Maybe we need to save it first. Open. Opened. Yeah, Blender's kind of tricky at times. Not texture paint. What I'm looking for. This one, texture rendered. So I've got that texture. New. Open. For reals? There we go. And then that. It's already got it. Interesting. Okie dokie. So now when I hit F12, what do I get? A crazy, weird looking thing. I could draw this by hand too, but I'm trying to make the texture for the thing. That's what I'm trying to do. Let's move this light. That's better. Why is this showing lines though? Don't like the lines. There we go. Let's do with lines. It's like it's not taking my texture at all. not open. This. This. F12. Haha. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. New material. New texture. Untitled. F12. Close. Close. What's with the tech? The stupid lines. What are your thoughts on the shields and the new types of arrows and such? I don't know. It's still kind of early to say what exactly it is that they're doing. I mean, I get that Dinnerbone's adding an offhand item or offhand held item. I know that they've added left-handedness to the game, which is interesting from the standpoint of if you're left-handed, you want to do that or whatever. But it's really not going to change gameplay, being able to hold it in your left hand, really, right? It's just a visual appearance type thing. I like that they're going to have special ability arrows. Mix it up a little bit. I would assume that the shield, because he said something about you're not going to be able to do block attacking where you left and right click repeatedly at the same time. So I'm assuming the shield's going to have a different ability and they won't have the right click with the sword to block kind of thing. I think that if they add a shield, they should add a what do you want to call it? Like a push with that left hand that you're holding your shield to kind of stun your enemy. I don't know. It's too early to tell, basically, from what they've said so far. The place to start is Minecraft Forge. You need Forge installed. You need Eclipse installed. I recommend using GitHub for source code stuff, source control. You do the install of Forge into the folder you're going to put your mod in, basically, and make it so or run some commands that actually set up Forge to download the Minecraft jar, decompile it, set up your build environment, stuff like that. There's 2 tutorials. Look at minecraftforge.com, I think it is. I better look it up before I tell you. minecraftforge.net. This is it, right here. There's all sorts of tutorials and stuff you can get to from this forum. This is also where you download Forge, essentially, from. So, minecraftforge.net. Okay, I'm being a derp, so let's go to GIMP and see if I can be a horrible... No, let's not use GIMP. Let's use Paint. Forget it. I'll be faster in Paint. New. We want to resize. We want to make it pixels 128 by 128. We do not want to maintain aspect ratio. There we go. And then draw with lines. There we go. And then this. No. And then a bigger one on top of that. There we go. And then we'll do like a gray. Copy and can I paste that? there's our turret icon. Blah. You know what? No. Ah! Stupid paint. Gray, this. Repeated derps here. There we go. Now I can change this in black. You have GIMP installed yet you're using Microsoft Paint Epic fail. No. If you also had Fireworks installed, then that would be even better. I did have Photoshop installed with Fireworks about 2 months ago, but I stopped. I decided it wasn't worth paying for because I had the Creative Cloud, and I very rarely used it. And when I did that, I got GIMP, and I have yet to learn GIMP, so that's why I'm using Paint, because I want to be quick. I used to know GIMP better than Photoshop, though. It's just I haven't relearned it now that it's all changed. Dirt item.png. Save that. Go back to Eclipse. Go down here to items. Let's do this one. Turret.json. Turret item PNG is the for that. Did I put it in here? I didn't. That was a derp. Needs to be down here. Now, if we restart Minecraft, it will probably fail epically because I did something wrong, but I'll get an error message somewhere. Yep. Cannot find png.png. Nice. Reload. Okay. Thanks, Mathematical Dragons. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do, but I can't remember what I'm doing wrong inside here to make this thing look like that with the lines. I don't know what is causing that. I guess I could just somehow turn all the background stuff off and take this. I don't know. Either way, I need to do the get the image loading. Which I did not do. Appears to be rendering as a cube for some reason. Or a block, I mean. What was that always caused by? That's what. It thinks it's an item or a block, but it's really an item. Because it's a cube shown here instead of a flat 2D picture. Register it with a capital T? That would be awful of me. I did not. Turret. Turret. An item. Hello, Dylan. Hey, Dylan. I don't know why people think I don't see the chat. Is that like common on YouTube? People don't watch the chat? I'm a little slow because there's a big lag between the time I say something here and the time it actually shows up in YouTube. Probably like 30 seconds to a minute. Oh, it's probably in the item registry over here. Turret. That'll do it. Didn't create your item registry or renderer. Now we should be cooking with fire. Multiplayer, nope. Single player. Oh, yep, we got the picture. Cool. And it's got the white background because I didn't make it transparent, so. Game time. File open. Code. Minecraft. Death Cube. Sources. Main. Resources. Assets. Death Cube. Textures. Items. Turret item. Okay, and somewhere there's a tools palette. Tool presets, tool options. Help me, guys. Tools. Oh, there we go. Selection tools. Delete. Nope. New layer. Transparent. Drag that below. Select this. Delete. Oh, dang it. How do I delete you? Color to alpha. Bingo. File, save. It's going to try and save as an XCF file. Source, main, resources, assets, Death Cube, textures, items. There's no XCF files in here. Where's Trayer been saving those? Do not know. Let's do save as. Oh my gosh. export as. There we go. See, lots of derps because I haven't used it forever. Is anyone out there? Awesome. Cool. Okay, so Minecraft, Forge, play sound. Tutorials, how to play sound. One bad thing about the Minecraft Forge website is it is slow to load. Play sound effect. So on the turret itself. Back in here. World object. Dot play sound effect. Play sound effect that entity, sure. So the entity, this, a string, and two floats, which are probably the pitch and something else, which I can't remember off the top of my head. Really? You can't go to that? Why? Stop. So the sound. It's a volume and then pitch. So I want it to be 1 and then pitch. Pitch is defined as a float. We'll do it as 1 for now. And this is going to be what? Oh, I don't remember the full format. It's probably like mobs.creeper or something. So entity. Let's try world. The explosion. Create explosion. New explosion. Play sound effect. Random.explode. So we'll start with that sound for now in our class. and run. Okay, so let's try making the pitch 2. Don't know if I ran this in debug mode. I should have. I didn't. Sounds like a freaking cannon going off. I can always get my own sound too. That would work. That sounds kind of cool, actually. We'll try it with a 1.5 so it gets a little bit more bass into it. Did I hit debug mode? I hope. Oh, apparently I did. F. There you go. That works. That sounds gun-like. Okay, now let's do something highly important here. So I'm going to go to files.minecraftforge.net and I'm going to go to 1.8, the version that we're working with, and view its changelog because somewhere along the lines, entities stopped being updated where they were or something. Fix interacting with entities, fix entities not being able to climb ladders. Really? The only thing with entity is that old? Let's go to the top. Clean up render entity item, blah, blah, blah. Add a new volume and new pitch to play sound at entity event. Added entity mount event. Any spawners. Entities not taking damage correctly. Interacting with entities. Wow, this is on 1296. So this is at 1350, I believe, right now. So if I... Oops. I left the page. By mistake. There we go. If I look... Build that cradle. It is 1350. Why do entities disappear? Maybe that? I don't know. We'll leave it like this for now. I think I'm done modding for today because I'm starting to get a headache from sitting here staring at a computer screen. I'm gonna commit this and publish it for Terraria to either do a pull request on or whatever. I will see you later, guys. Have a good day. TechStack signing off. Bye now.